In celebration of Heritage Month, I'm going to show you how to make my take on kgodu and ox liver. Kgodu is a pumpkin porridge traditionally made with lerotse, which is kind of a pumpkin meets melon that's grown in Limpopo. But in this recipe, I'm using butternut that's much easier to find, but just as delicious. The kgodu can be anything from runny like a porridge, which is how my grandma used to make it, so we'd have it like a porridge in the morning, or I'm gonna make it slightly stiffer, almost like a pap, and then have it with our ox liver. Growing up, we'd usually have ox liver when there's a celebration and a cow has been slaughtered. That's usually the first thing we eat. As people start to arrive and you want to keep the hunger at bay, it's very quick to make, very easy, and everybody always enjoys it. Exactly what my childhood was made of. This reminds me of my grandma's house. Perfect.